Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall WinRAR and remove file associations, complete guide step by step clearly. To uninstall WinRAR, start by clicking the Start menu on your Windows desktop. Type Control Panel into the search bar and press Enter. In the Control Panel, look for Programs and click on it. Then select Programs and Features. A list of installed programs will appear on your screen. Scroll down to find WinRAR in that list. Once located, click on WinRAR to highlight it. At the top of the window, click on the Uninstall button. A confirmation prompt will appear. Click Yes to proceed with the uninstallation process. Wait for the process to complete, which may take a few moments. After the uninstallation, you will need to remove file associations. To do this, go back to the Control Panel. Select Default Programs. Click on Set Your Default Programs. In the list, find a program that you prefer click on that program to highlight it. Then select Set this program as default. This action will change the default file associations from WinRAR to your chosen program. To further ensure no associations with WinRAR remain, go back to the Control Panel. Select File Explorer options. Make sure that Hide Extensions for known file types is unchecked. Then click OK to save your settings. Now, you can manually change any remaining file associations by right-clicking on a compressed file, like a .zip or .rar file. Select Open With from the context menu. Choose your preferred application from the list provided. If you don't see your preferred application, click on Choose Another App from there, select the program, check the box for Always use this app to open .zip file. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.